MK Party have written to look, they have officially written or launched an application to a constitutional court. And yeah, that's a story that I want us to talk about this morning. Now, this time, MK Party Vele, they did say that they will be writing to a constitutional court because they feel that if they were to start from the High Court, what if there's an appeal to the Supreme Court of Appeal, and then they had to start from the Supreme Court of Appeal? That's when it will now go to the Constitutional Court. They said, no, let's rather go straight to the Constitutional Court. Sorry, guys. In this application, let me take you through. Let me read everything here. The application is CCT 206/25, right? The applicant Jacob Gedlehlegisa Zuma, second applicant Umkhonto Wesizwe Party, first respondent is President Ramaphosa, second respondent Minister Mchunu, third respondent Gwete Mantashe, fourth respondent Acting Minister Feroz Kachal. Justice, look, fifth respondent is Justice My Buiselela. Okay, I don't know who's this. Then again, they are saying in this application, let's go through the application. Please take note that the above applicants intend to make an application before this honorable court on the 28th of July 2025 or on a date determined by the Honorable Chief Justice for the order. One, because we need to go through this, is very important. They are saying, one, that the matter be heard on an urgent basis, depending with the ordinary timeline in terms of Rule 12, declaring that this court has exclusive jurisdiction to hear the application, alternatively granting the applicant direct access in terms of section 167(4)(e) or 167(6)(a) of the Constitution, respectively. Let's go through this other one. 2. It then says, declaring that the conduct or the decision of the president, 3.1, to place Minister Mchunu on leave of absence is irrational or inconsistent with the obligation in Section 83(b) of the Constitution or of the Presidential Oath of Office. Read with Section 91(2) thereof, and is invalid. They continue to say, to appoint Professor Kachal as an acting Minister of Police is irrational or inconsistent with the obligation in Section 83(b) of the Constitution or the President's Oath of the Office. Read with Section 91(3) and 98 of the Constitution, and is invalid. 3.3. To establish judicial commission is irrational or inconsistent with the obligation in Section 83(b) of the Constitution or a Presidential Oath of Office. Read with Section 84(2)(f), 177, 178(4) or 180 of the Constitution is invalid. 4. The decision referred to in prayer 3 above are each set aside with immediate effect. 5. Further alternative appropriate, just and equitable remedies, including, where necessary. 5.1. Interim relief, maintaining the status quo. Okay, let's leave this one. That's the application by Umkhonto Wesizwe Party. Okay, that was the most important part. Please take note that further that an affidavit of Mandlakaisa John Hlophe is annexed here and will be used in support of this application. Please take note thereafter that if you intend to oppose this application, you are required to notify the applicant's attorney in writing or on or before 10 o'clock on the 21st of July 2025 after the logman of this application on your of your intent to oppose the application to file your answering affidavit if any or before 1700 on Tuesday 22nd of July 2025, and further that you are required to appoint in such a notification an address in which you will accept notice and serve with all document in this proceeding. Sure. Okay. That is what MK Party is doing. In case you're wondering, so what MK Party is basically arguing here is this: is that you cannot have this minister acting and that minister while this minister is there. If Senzo Mchunu was sick, we get it. It makes sense. If Senzo Mchunu was on duty, state duty, maybe he needed to visit whatever country for whatever purpose of the state, it makes sense. Right now, he's accused of corruption. Since he's accused of corruption, you cannot suspend him on special leave, then put somebody acting. You cannot put him on special leave, not even suspended. He's not suspended. Suspension is something else. He's put on leave with no suspension. So the MK Party, what they are simply saying is that suspend him. If you suspend him, we then know that we are dealing with a suspension here. He's now, he will now, the security around him will be taken away. Because right now we continue to enjoy such. Salaries will, and many more of these benefits will be taken away. So right now he still enjoys all of those benefits. That's what MK Party is basically fighting for, to say, put him on suspension. Let it be clear that he's suspended. Let's not beat around the bush. So let's hear Uguti, does MK Party succeed? We are expecting this to be heard on the 28th of July. So in about just after next week, Monday, we should be hearing this application at the Constitutional Court. Hey, but by the look of things, the way the minister is so arrogant, the way he was talking today, the way he was talking to, the way he was busy attacking Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi, hey, it got me worried. I'm like, man, guys, no. Guys, no. There's something off here. There's something off here. It's either they know that the results are already set. They will never suffer anything. You're not going to do anything to us. It's us. You're not going to do anything at the end of the day. It is giving those vibes, man. But nonetheless, let's leave this episode here with the hope that I shall see you guys on the next episode. But until the next episode, good people, please take care.